Electrician pay in Russia is worth a closer look. The average electrician income in Russia is around 11,700 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before the government takes its share, which leaves an after-tax pay of $10,200. This adds up to roughly $850 every month into your bank account. While that is the nationwide average, big cities offer better opportunities. For example, an electrician in Moscow brings home around $12,000 after tax, but living there costs noticeably more, so the extra cash gets eaten up quickly. On top of that location difference, your experience level plays a huge role in your paycheck. Entry-level electrician wages start well below the national average, though you will see pay rise fast as you learn the trade. It eventually plateaus unless you gain higher qualifications. Having a university degree is not required for basic trade work, but getting higher education helps you move into better roles. It allows you to become an electrical engineer or a site supervisor, which both pay substantially more. Small local firms pay the lowest electrician salary in Russia, whereas large national companies offer better stability and multinational employers pay the highest average electrician pay. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Russia, it really depends on who hires you.